In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a conversation in Slack. This skill is incredibly useful for effectively collaborating with your team and ensuring the right people are involved in the conversations that matter. First things first, you'll need to open Slack, either using your desktop application or through your preferred web browser. Ensure it's up to date, so you have the latest features and security updates. Once you're ready, log in using your email, Google, or Apple account. This flexibility means you can use whichever method you find most convenient and secure. If you're using a shared computer, make sure to log out once you're done to protect your information. After logging in, you'll need to choose the workspace you want to use. If you're part of multiple workspaces, take a moment to select the appropriate one. Having your intended workspace open is crucial to navigating to the specific conversation or channel where you want to add a new member. Next, locate the conversation or channel that's relevant. This could be a project-specific channel, a team chat, or a direct conversation with several colleagues already participating. When you find it, you'll see an icon next to the Huddle feature, which gives you a list of all current members in that channel. Once you're there, click on the Add People option. It's typically found in a prominent location to make team expansion quick and efficient. Before proceeding, consider if the person you're adding truly needs access to the conversation to prevent unnecessary noise for them, and ensure the channel remains productive. Upon clicking Add People, you'll be prompted with a window or a drop-down menu where you can select the member you wish to invite. If your team is large, use the search bar to type in the name or email of the person you need to add, making the process faster and more accurate. Confirm that you have selected the correct individual, minimizing any inconvenience of accidentally adding the wrong person. Finally, hit the Add button once you're done. This final action effectively integrates the new member into the conversation. Keep an eye out for any welcome messages or initial questions from the new participant, as this can be your opportunity to ensure they have all the context needed for a smooth onboarding into the discussion. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added someone to a conversation on Slack. This process not only keeps your team agile, but also maintains effective communication, ensuring that everyone stays informed and involved. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to explore Slack's help resources or reach out to your workspace admin for additional support. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.